Please do come through. Sit down, sit down. Is everybody here? Marvelous. Then let's begin.
Welcome to the gym, come take a wander with me. There's a few of the members that I want you to meet. And if you're wondering where it is, you've seen them before. It's in every other gym that you've probably been. I say, welcome to the gym, come take a wander with me. There's a few of the members that I want you to meet. And if you're wondering where it is, you've seen them before. It's in every other gym that you've probably been. Hey yo, every gym I've been to contains the same characters. I swear it's like somewhere there's a manufacturer with the same personality types they're pumping out. Let's start with Mr. Loudmouth, who likes to grunt and shout. You'll never need to ask anybody where'd he go. If you can't see him, don't worry, cause he'll let you know. And usually if there's a weight that you need, you can find it in a huge pile lying by his feet. And over here we got the gym bro who conforms to a strict code and wears the same uniform. Backwards cap check, chewing gum check, ladies crop top, no man, it's a vest. Sure, this guy spends so much time on his phone, I genuinely wanna know, do you even lift, bro? And if checking your reflection counted as reps, then by now he'd be bigger than the mountain, I bet. Welcome to the gym, come take a wander with me. There's a few of the members that I want you to meet. And if you're wondering where it is, you've seen him before. It's in every other gym that you've probably been. I say, welcome to the gym, come take a wander with me. There's a few of the members that I want you to meet. And if you're wondering where it is, you've seen him before. It's in every other gym that you've probably been. But yo, do you know who my favourite gym guy type is? The dude who's going through the midlife crisis and clearly hasn't been to the gym for a few years. So rocks up, dress head to toe in brand new gear. He's got the headband, the vest and the sweatpants. Even his water bottles in place and with the best brand. He's dressed like an athlete who's running a race, but then he does a couple stretches and is done for the day. But it's not just the guys who act stereotypical. There's plenty women who are just as predictable, who turn up with their hair and their makeup fresh, but don't work too hard cause they don't want to break a sweat. But I'm a hypocrite cause I think this chick is fit. And when she...
Let's get it started in here.
It's time to build this shit. Today, we're gonna be building a computer because we have the money. I'm just here to help him because he's a noob.
Fuck off!
Let's get this started.
Oh no!
One final touch. AMD Ryzen 5 6 cores. 6 fucking cores. Wow. You wanna take off the folia?
Yes.
With every power arming to the teeth.